preview.
So here I welcome you again in the new basic learning, and this is the part second of the chemistry, that is hidden trial method we were doing in the previous video also. So here we will begin with the fourth question, and the question is K2Cr2O7 plus HCl gives KCl plus CrCl3 plus H2O plus Cl2. So let us write the reactant side, that is potassium is having 2, chromium is having 2, oxygen is having 1, hydrogen is having 1, and chlorine is having 1. Oxygen is 7. Now here potassium is 1, chromium is 1, oxygen is 1, hydrogen is 2, and chlorine is 3 plus 2 5, and gives last one is that we add 1, it will give 6. So now let's solve this. Here on the reactant side we have 2, and here on the product side I have 1. So I will add 2 here. So it will be 2 potassium. At the same time it will be for the chlorine also. So we were having 6, and now when I add 3 plus 2 5 and 6 and 7, so it will be 7. Now for oxygen we have oxygen we have 7, and here we have only 1. So I will add here 7. So it will become 7. At the same time for hydrogen also, hydrogen will become 14. 7 to the 14. Then for the hydrogen I have here 1 and here 14. So I will add here 14 HCl. So at the same time for chlorine also it will be 14. Okay, so here is 14 and here is 7. So what will I do? Here I will add 3. Okay, that will be 3 to the 6, 2 plus 3, it will give 11. Then we are left with we have potassium also done, chromium we have also done, oxygen also we have done. Chromium is left. So here chromium is 2 and here chromium is only 1. So what will I do? I will add 2 here again. So now at the same time it becomes 2 and chlorine will also become 2. So 3 2s are 6. So now the total of chlorine will be 2 chlorine, here 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6, it gives 14. So what the number of chlorine will be? 14. So here hydrogen is also 14, here hydrogen is also 14, chlorine is also 14, chlorine is also 14, oxygen is 7, chromium is 2, here also chromium is 2, potassium is 2, and here also potassium is 2. So now this equation is completely balanced. Now write it in the proper form. So now what is the equation? Becomes K2Cr2O7 O7 plus 14 HCl gives 2 KCl plus 2 CrCl3 plus 7 H2O plus 3 Cl2. This is the complete balanced equation. I hope you get the proper explanation and how to balance the chemical equation. Tough also and easiest one also. Now the last question for the hidden trial method is NaHCO3 plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2. So let us write this. This is the reactant and this was the product. So here sodium is having 1, hydrogen is 1 and plus 2 gives 3, carbon 1, oxygen 3 plus 4 gives 7 and last sulfur is having 1. Sodium is 1, hydrogen is 3, carbon is 1, oxygen is 7, sulfur is 1. Now on this side, sodium is 2, hydrogen is 2, carbon is 1 and oxygen is 4, 5, 6 and 7 and sulfur is also 1. So now let's balance this. Here sodium is 1 and here sodium is 2. So here I will add 2. So at the same time Na becomes 2 and hydrogen also becomes, hydrogen when we add that is 2 and 2, it will become 4. Carbon 2 and let us see oxygen, that is 3 2s are 6 plus 4. How? 3 2s are, when we will multiply from 3 into 2, it will give 6 and oxygen is here also 4, so it will be 3 to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 oxygen. 10 molecules of oxygen and sulfur is only 1. At this side, sodium is 2, hydrogen is also 2, here hydrogen is 4, so here I will write 2 and at the same time it becomes 4 and oxygen 4, 5, that means 2 oxygen also we have added. When it will be multiplied 2 to the 4 and it will also be added to the oxygen, that will be 2, 4 and 2. It means 4 plus 4. Oxygen, before oxygen was 7. So here oxygen is 2. It is also 2. It means it will become 2. And here is 4. So it will be 8. Okay. Then sulfur is 1 only here. Now here carbon is 2 and here carbon is 1. So I will add 2 here again. So it becomes 2 and at the same time oxygen is again added. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 and 4. 4 plus 2 plus 4, it gives 10. So now our sodium is also balanced, hydrogen is also balanced, carbon is also balanced, oxygen is also balanced and sulfur is also balanced. So our chemical equation will be NaHCO3 plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O plus 2CO2. This is the full and complete balanced equation that we get after solving the equation. So I hope the hit and trial method is totally, or you can say it is properly, you have understood all the things, the reactant side, the product side, how to add or how to balance these. So in the next part I will be doing the partial equation method for you. So stay happy and stay tuned for the next part. Thank you for watching.